It makes me nervous because I'm not very good with needles and like poking myself and stuff.
For some, learning you have diabetes can be devastating. For Jason Trimble, it was a life changer. After finding out he had type 2 diabetes 6 years ago, Trimble wasn't sure what his future would look like, and taking insulin with the needle frightened him.
You know, having to dose while I'm out in public or with family or friends or something, and it's just not something that I look forward to.
Trimble doesn't like the thought of injecting himself every day, and as of now, he doesn't have to. He manages his diabetes without insulin by eating right, exercising, and taking medicine. But he still may need insulin one day, and says he knows how frustrating injections can be for some people.
They have a phobia of needles or something like that, and it prevents them from, you know, living their best life and prevents them from really taking control of their health.
And that exact point has concerned doctors for years. Clinical researcher and owner of the Flushing Road Internal Medicine in Flint, Dr. Ahmed Arif, is now conducting research that might be a game changer for how doctors treat type 2 diabetes.
Insulin, as you know, is only available in injectable form, and it cannot be taken orally. If you take the insulin in the current form orally, it is disintegrated in the stomach and it does not reach the bloodstream.
Arif says they are now conducting the second phase of clinical trials for an insulin drug you can take by mouth. His AA Medical Research Center was the only practice in the Midwest to be chosen for the study. He says because of the high concentration of diabetics in the area, along with his research history, a drug company from Israel decided to conduct the study here.
They're trying to devise a special delivery system where the capsule in which the medicine is swallowed does not break down in the stomach. It remains intact, so the insulin remains. It does not get disintegrated by the gastric acid in the stomach.
Arif says the capsule has a special coating on it that will not break down until it gets close enough to the liver. Then that's where the pill would release the insulin and get it right into the bloodstream.
This medicine comes into the market, I think it will be a big breakthrough.
In the Flint area, there are over 200 people taking part in these clinical trials. Once the study is done, the results will be sent to the FDA, who will decide whether the drug should be approved. Trimble was not a part of the study, but he's optimistic about the research.
It would be great if there was maybe a surgical procedure or maybe a medicine, either way, that would let people, you know, live the best life that they can.
Rachel McCrary, WNEM TV5.
Dr. Arif says if clinical trials are successful, oral insulin could be on the market in 2 to 3 years.